Hey Ford, I just spoke with Alexis, and hi Alexis if you're watching this. My name's Scott Walker, and I have been helping local auto glass companies steal leads from Safelite and other competitors. So I'm just making this video showing you how I've done that, and if you like what you've seen, let's set up a discovery call, and if not, thank you for your time. I usually start with your website. I go over Google search with your Google Ads, GBP, and your websites, and kind of show your competition and what they're doing. So for starters, really like your guys' logo. I think it's pretty sweet. The windshields even, or windshield wipers even. Haven't seen too many of those, so I think that's really cool. But one thing I would recommend for your website is to have more content. The reason I say that is because you want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And that usually includes a location and a service. So like windshield replacement Denver, auto glass repair Denver, a location and a service. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, oh perfect, you guys actually have that saved correct, so awesome. That counts as content behind the photo as well because it's embedded behind there. And then I use a tool called Ahrefs. It shows me your analytics and kind of where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and they continuously move up. You want them to continuously move up and be balanced. You're currently at 7 and 10, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And pretty much what these are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And then it looks like you're being indexed for 588 keywords, and you're getting about 40 people to your website each month. Right here, professional auto glass. You are in the 3rd position, so you're not getting too many for people who know you. Broomfield Auto Glass, I know that's a city, so like that's a better one to be in front of because those are people that don't know you. Kind of the same thing, windshield replacement Commerce City. I don't know exactly where you service, but Denver and local areas around it, we can look at those for you as well. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I really recommend, like windshield replacement Westminster. There's 90 searches. You're on the 2nd page, so you're not really getting people to your website for that one. So I did just do a quick search for windshield replacement Denver, and the top right here is kind of the Google Ads and how they're going for you. To get a good click-through rate from the Google Ads, you want to make sure that your ad groups are grouped thematically, kind of like windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be different, and then even windshield repair and windshield replacement would be different as well. And it looks like this one right here is the one I'd say would have the highest click-through rate because it does say Denver, it does say windshield replacement, and it's mobile, whereas this just says car window, and this says windshield chip repair. So it doesn't really say the location, and that even says Utah, so I don't know why about that. But that's how you get a good click-through rate, and then when you have a landing page experience, you want to click to call right up top, form submit on the side, what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions right here. And then if you guys do any specialty services like RV windshield replacement or window tinting, things like that, you would want different background imagery to correlate to the same searches that they're going for. So for auto glass, have a windshield being replaced. For RV, have RV windshield repair, things like that. And then just to kind of give you an idea, right here, this is just for, I did have Commerce City and also Denver. There's 3,000 searches each month for windshield replacement. There's another 1,000 for windshield replacement near me, windscreen, which is the European version. So there's lots of searches that we could get in front of to help you guys generate more business and revenue. And then it's fine that you guys are not right here. This is the Google Business Profile, or GBP. There are lots of ways to rank here. For starters, you want to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And then getting reviews is really beneficial. I have a little trick that can help you get good reviews only. Well, not only, but for the most part. And I could share that with you next time we speak. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you more and they'll start to rank you in your local area. But the more you are, it's like a big popularity contest. So they'll trust you in other areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and Google Ads, there's about 70% of the traffic stops right here. And then the rest go to your websites. So it looks like Denver Auto Glass is one of your top competitors here. And so, looking at their website, there's not a whole lot of content on here. So by having more content, better buyer intent keywords, and citations, you could start to outrank them. And to kind of give you a glimpse of how many searches there are, there's 900 searches just for windshield replacement Denver. Out of the next ones, there's a total of almost 3,000 searches with Denver associated with it. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Ford, I really hope that this was beneficial for you. Alexis, I hope you liked it too. If you guys want to set up a discovery call to see if it would be a good fit, that'd be awesome. If not, thank you for your time and have a great day.